Here I am again to help you. If it's your first time to do the exercises, I suggest you to check my site out on www.giovannagenovese.it. If you are here, maybe it's because you still can't get over your ex. If something hurt you, it becomes a so-called pain in the neck. It destroys your enthusiasm, decelerates your actions, weigh down your thoughts. Maybe you had a bad way of living your romance or love life. Our goal here is to be able to think about her or about him without feeling discomfort. Now, we are going to do this exercise that, as you may already know, it allows you to believe that in everything there is always a solution if we only know how to use the right instruments. I teach how to use the brain to change things that hurt you, to transform a bad thought, to change it for better. Let's try it together. Let's start it on. Search for a picture in your mind, in your memory, something you don't want to think anymore. Every time you think about it, you have had this weird feeling in your stomach, constant thing in your head. Now, look with your mind's eye. Look at a picture you want to rip. Imagine that it's on the table in front of you and feel how it bothers you. Now, close your eyes and think, how would you feel if this exercise of mine really works? Light, cheerful, ready to resume for another research or another who will make you feel excited and curious. Imagine how good you'd feel. If you have a memory on which you feel good without her or without him, think about the feeling you had that time. Now, open your eyes. Let's wait for a few seconds. And again, look with your mind's eye, the first picture, the negative one. And imagine, how would it be if there was cloud above it? It doesn't cover it completely, just a glimpse of it. Now, close your eyes once again and imagine you have wings and that you can fly freely, free from the thought about her or about him. If you could fly, where will you fly? Above the sea, a mountain, or above the hill? Choose one and fly over it, looking at the ground. Let's repeat one more time. Remember the first picture? The one that the cloud covers it slightly. It's blurred. It doesn't mind you what's underneath. If you want, you can imagine on blowing at the cloud to see the picture better. Now, have a glimpse at the reality and focus on the thing you are able to focus sharply. With eyes closed, think again on the feeling that flying was able to give you. Now, open your eyes. Let's make a test. Think again about the thing that bothers you before you came to know about my channel. Pay attention on different feelings the thoughts bring you. It works. The negative thought has changed. It's gone. Now, you can be even friends with your ex. What have we done? We distracted your brain stuck on an anxiety thought. You can think about the frame we used, the picture we used. Don't let the cloud obscure it, and the tension must be gone. If it didn't happen completely, you might not yet be able to think using imagination. That's why the exercises must be repeated continuously. The brain must learn something new on what it does to hurt you. By repeating these exercises, your thoughts one day will transform. It's like when we ought to remember something. It's stored in our brain, especially when it's done continuously. Nevertheless, know that you can always get in touch with me by sending mail, and I'll reply. I'm on YouTube too. Just search for Giovanna Genovese, then click on Video Exercises playlist. There you can check all the topics that you might find interesting.